For Rumi, ice cream's like gimbap. The bigger, the better. Ah, a life in plastic is truly fantastic. Well, speak of the Barbie, and she shall appear. It's okay, Rumi. We can make our own dream house. But first, why don't we clean you up? There's a bit of a smell, not to mention all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice clean face. Of course, now we'll need new clothes. We can't exactly go shopping, but I'm sure we can whip something up. Or better yet, draw something up. Now cut it out. All it needs is a little Huntrix magic. And voila! Next, your coat. Wow, purple is your color, Rumi. That was fun, but we should really check the time. Uh-oh, she's late for a possibly important date. But soon, she'll always be on time with this new gadget. It already feels pretty homey. Or, at the very least, homemade. Don't forget the chimney. We want all the bells and whistles. Can you guess what we're making? That's right, a cuckoo clock. Of course, we gotta make sure the time is right. Otherwise, it'll only work twice a day, I think. It needs a good foundation and derpy. Derpy's always needed. Of course, I do have a question. Where's the cuckoo? Leave it to Sussy to make a big entrance. Either way, I'm pretty sure it's time to eat. You know what that means. Show us your teeth! But it's going to need a few additions. When it comes to tubes, the more the merrier. Can you guess our newest craft? Well, it's got a lid. And it looks like I wasn't wrong about those tubes. Good idea. This should put some spring in their step. It's mostly done, so we should personalize it, like with a Huntrix logo and a cute little derpy face. Did you guess? We've got our very own rice cooker. Now we can make all sorts of things, like gimbap or just plain rice. It is the best side dish. Just press a button and keep your eye on the timer, or clock, as it were. Either way, we've got rice. Just can't wait to dig in, can you? Of course, rice isn't exactly finger food. We're gonna need chopsticks. Never used them before? All you need's a simple wrap and maybe a little practice. That was good, but now Rumi will want something to wet her whistle. And what can be more refreshing than cardboard? Okay, you can't drink it, but you'll see how it can help. grab some bottles. Holding liquids is their job. Now it's time for us to bend those straws. Remember, always save your bottle caps. 'Cause you'll never know when they'll come in handy. Why don't we add some color? How about a nice sky blue? And I wouldn't say no to some nice wallpaper for our new soda machine, complete with your favorite fruit flavors. Wait, where's the soda? Guess we've got to fill her up. You know, all this crafting is busy work. So why don't we try it out? Pick a flavor. Ooh, apple. I mean, it's important to eat, or drink, your greens. I wonder if it tastes like apple juice. Of course, we wouldn't say no to strawberry or orange. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got someone special on her mind. Of course, if you want to talk to Rumi, we're gonna need to get you a phone plan. Ooh, now that's some cool wallpaper. Wow, Jinu's already in your contact list. He looks so full of life, all things considered. You know, 'cause he's a Saja boy. Okay, Rumi, we've got to save Jinu. We need to build something that'll help. Or conjure up the Han Moon, whatever comes first. We already started whipping up our latest cool tool. A hat? And robe? Oh, I see. It's a decoy Saja boy. But I don't think we're finished just yet. Rumi might need some weapons. Is she making a sword? Well, so far it kind of looks more like a barbell. Guess we're pumping iron. You'll need some energy. Hold on. And they say too much candy's bad for you. Soon, Rumi will be strong enough to hunt those demons. And if music doesn't work out, she can be a bodybuilder. Oh, I get it. It's training practice. Hold on, it's alive! Wow, it's just like that story where that guy makes a monster. What was it called again? Oh yeah, Pinocchio. Come on, Rumi, you've trained for this. Literally just trained. And what's more powerful than the sword? Or the pen? That's right, your voice! And I should know. So make yourself a microphone! I mean, you're a K-pop demon hunter after all. Obviously, this trick is best done with 3. But every diva needs to try a solo career now and then. That's right! Rumi's part demon, but she sings like an angel. Yeah, you're going straight into the recycling bin. Looks like Rumi's up, 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 and back on top.